Now, we will explain how to configure the Ikari Warrior 3 game in RetroPie for use with the GRS Super Joystick. Firstly, ensure that you are utilizing MAME2010 to operate the game and that it is set in mouse mode. Hold down the Mode plus Joystick button 3 for 3 seconds until the light turns red, which indicates that it has transitioned to mouse mode. Press Tab to access the main menu. Then, proceed by selecting Input, this game. Map the Start and Coin buttons. Followed by mapping the joysticks up, down, left, and right movements. Map buttons 1, 2, and 3. For the positional analog setting, ensure it is set to none. Then proceed to Positional Analog deck, click, and rotate the knob counterclockwise. For Positional Analoging, click and rotate the knob clockwise. Now, the game button mappings are complete. Return to the previous page and enter into Analog Controls. Ensure that the Positional Digital Speed is set to 0 and the Positional Sensitivity is set to 100. All the settings are now finalized. Press Tab to exit the main menu. We are now ready to start the game. As demonstrated, the Super Joystick's controls are seamlessly integrated with the game.